the straight line of y equals mx makes an angle of 45 degrees with y equals 2x. At this time, find m. And there is a formula for solving this problem, but if we always use formulas for solving any problems, we will forget everything as time goes by. So I want you to find the way of solving the problem yourself. So have a look at this graph. Y equals mx of this line and y equals nx of this line makes an angle theta. This one is theta. So let its angle, let theta be this angle, or let alpha be this angle, and let beta be this angle. So alpha minus beta equals theta. And take tan of both sides. Tan alpha minus beta equals tan theta. And this one can be expanded. Tangent alpha minus tangent beta on 1 plus tangent alpha tan beta. This one is tan theta. I can make theta the subject. Theta equals tan shift and tan alpha minus tan beta on 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. And what is the tan alpha? Tan alpha means the gradient. So its gradient is m, therefore tan alpha is the same as m1, and tan beta is the same as n. To put them into this formula, theta equal tan shift m, tan alpha is m minus n on 1 plus mn. But we are not sure which one is greater, alpha of alpha and or beta. Therefore, we must use absolute value here. This is formula. I want not to make use the formula, just to find the solution used by yourself. This is alpha. Let beta be this one. Therefore, alpha minus beta equals 45 degrees. And we should take tan of both sides. Tan alpha minus beta equals tan 45. What is tan 45? Is 1. Easy. 1, and this one will be tan alpha minus tan beta on 1 plus tan alpha tan beta equals 1. Yes. And tangent alpha, tan alpha is 2, just 2, because its gradient is 2. Tan alpha is gradient. 2 minus tan beta, tangent m. M on 1 plus 2 times m is 2m equals 1. Is it correct? Equals 1. 1045. 1045 theta. Therefore, 2 minus m equals 1 plus 2m. 3m equals 1. Therefore, m equals 1 on 3. M equals 1 on 3. Very easy. So I want you not to use the formula for solving any problems. But school test sometimes requires you to use the formula. So at the time, you must memorize this formula. Theta equal tan shift absolute value of m minus 1n over 1 plus mn. I will explain for the tan alpha plus beta equals tan alpha plus tan beta over 1 minus tan alpha tan beta, and sine alpha minus beta plus beta equal sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. And in case of minus, this must be minus. And cos alpha plus beta is the same as cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. In case of minus, this should be plus. And tan alpha plus beta, tan is the same as sine on cos. Therefore, sine alpha plus beta on cos alpha plus beta. Therefore, sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta over this one cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. Numerator and denominator both must be divided by this one. Therefore, this will be 10 alpha cos 10 alpha. This one is 10 alpha because this and this are cancelled, and this one plus and cos alpha cancelled. Therefore, 10 beta over this will be 1, this one minus, and sine alpha sine beta over cos alpha cos beta. This is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta on 1 minus this one is tangent alpha, tan alpha, tan beta. Okay, so this is important formula, and in this case, when you memorize this one, you should follow this rule. Sin, co, cosine. Sine alpha beta, sin, co, cosine. Cos alpha beta, co, sin, sin. Okay.